Welcome back to a new video. Welcome to 2021. Oh my god, it has been a while. I know I haven't been super active on like YouTube in the last few weeks. I was kind of like taking a little break, taking some time for myself, and I will update you guys on all like the things we have been up to. I'm going to get ready quickly and then we're going to do a little coffee talk. I saw in so many comments that you guys were missing coffee talks and I missed them too. And look, I got new flippers. Look how fluffy they are. They're like so soft. I'm like at this point where I just want everything to be fluffy and soft and cozy because you're just at home all the time. You want to be comfortable and like kind of cute at the same time. Hey Mixie. And jump! Oh my god. You did? Can do a little skincare routine. We've been very good about our skincare routine the last few weeks actually. So I always start with like a toner, kind of a spray. I always like love this so much. Ugh. This one is from Sanne. And then I'm going to use this serum. I can't pronounce it. Hyaluronic serum. Hyaluronic serum, I think I said that well. Anyway, this is really good if you have like dry skin because this is actually hydrates. Like moisturizers or creams moisturize, but when you have dry skin, you want something that really hydrates. I'm gonna use this one. Easy. So, I'm giving myself a little face massage. Oh, I burned myself really bad during Christmas. I'm also going to put a little bit of a basic makeup on. I just noticed that I just feel so much better when I do kind of wear a little makeup. I just feel like more fresh, even though I'm not going anywhere. I need to blend my foundation well because nothing worse than starting the year with not blended foundation. Let's get dressed. So outfit of today. This is kind of like a greenish tracksuit from Zara. And then I have some Nike socks and these are like my ultimate flip-flops from Matisse footwear. So cozy. In a lot of my old coffee talk videos, obviously I tried out like different kind of coffees. And little update, I barely drink any coffee anymore. A couple of reasons, and you guys can probably guess why. We started our own matcha brand, and honestly, the more reading I do around coffee and around matcha, the less I really crave coffee. And it's mainly like, normally when I wake up, the first thing I wanted to do is drink a cup of coffee for the caffeine. But literally coffee like dries you out and it's really like not really healthy. You kind of want to have like a fresh and like good start of the day. So that's why I switched for sure to matcha. And I want to tell you guys a little bit more about matcha and like why it is so good for you and why I love it so much. So obviously here we have our little station. Aww, this is still our balloon. Hello 2021. I hope you're going to be better in 2020. Anyway, boo. This is our coffee and tea station. Oh, we recently got this kettle. I will link this down below. I really love it because you can actually adjust like the temperature here, which is really nice. Let's make some matcha. What I just did, I solved my powder and with like a zigzag, I'm going to like zigzag motion, I'm going to whisk everything. It becomes like really frothy. This, guys, is the power of Nekohama. See how green it is. You know what? Are we going deep? We're gonna go deep. So matcha can give you 6 hours of focused mental energy without the crash or anxious feeling that coffee gives me. I'm still learning so much about matcha. But from what I know so far, matcha is packed full of vitamins and nutrients and an amino acid called L-theanine.
This not only calms your body and mind, but when combined with caffeine that happens naturally in matcha, it can increase your focus and attention without the crash. So for me, matcha is a clean, healthy energy source. And for everyone who doesn't like coffee breath, this is the solution. Well, enough about matcha.
I'm going to add a little bit of honey. I actually really love adding manuka honey in there too, but I didn't have it, so I got some like local honey. By the way, Nekohama we don't have a website yet, it's being built. But for friends, family, and of course my followers, we have a special link, which I will put in the description down below. And you can also find it on Nekohama's Instagram. It's only for special people who can already try, and we just really want people really experience themselves, because I can like talk about it, I can explain everything, but you just need to taste it and it just speaks for itself. I kind of wanted to chat a little bit about, 2020, well, leaving that behind really fast. 2021, the new year. This year this year sucked. I have literally reached my like lowest moments in regarding my mental health. But I've also experienced a lot of like beautiful things. The fact that I went to Italy, that I was cooking there. I actually have still a lot of footage from that, and I'm planning to build out a vlog for that so we can still kind of look back on that. We have just been so busy with starting a company, Nekohama. It's been taking a lot of time, and I knew that like building your own company takes a lot of time, but it just looks so much easier than it actually is. We're just so excited, and I really feel like once you find something and you can work on it till late in the night every day, and it doesn't feel like work, that's something what you're just really passionate about. That's something we've been like really busy with, and what has been kind of the focus. But yeah, we're back. And I can't wait to be sharing like more videos around like food and recipes, because over the holidays I've been recipe testing a lot with like healthy foods from all different kind of cuisine. And also Sammy and I really enjoyed doing the wellness month. When someone asks, okay, we're going really deep here, but that's okay. When someone asks you kind of like, what is your purpose, right? And like what you do and like the work and whatever, I start asking that question myself, or kind of Jason did. And I really think it is to bring as many people as possible a wellness journey, to feel on their best, to be healthy, to be happy, more important. And in order to do that, the Wellness Month was something which was just so fun for Sammy and I, because we really felt like the community was all together supporting each other. We, received so many amazing messages on Instagram, and we really want to start doing more of these like workouts, and hopefully once the world opens up, travel and maybe do workouts in real life with you guys. I don't know, New York in the park, Hong Kong, Japan, Australia. That would be so cool. So Sammy and I are actually building out a platform where we will have many more fitness videos, where we're actually like talking through the workouts and just like more details. And I don't know, this is just really excited. I actually don't know if I was allowed to tell you guys already that we're doing this, but I guess I did it now already. Little spoiler alert. I had a couple of New Year's resolutions. I'm actually curious if you guys have any 2021 resolutions. I always feel once you put them out there, you're kind of more keeping yourself more accountable. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna tell you guys, and then like I need to stick to it. The first one was to learn, because I feel it's always easy to say like, oh, I don't know, or like I can't do this, and I just think that is just such negative self-talk. There is this one saying of Pippi Longstocking, my mom always would say, if I've never done it, I think I can do it. Kind of a girl who was never was never scared and just did everything. That for some reason just like really resonated with me. I don't know why, but definitely learning. That's something for 2021. Another one is to learn how to surf, especially because I've just noticed that I've been like inside a lot, even though I live in California. I know it's like lockdown, but I kind of want to get some more like movement outside, and it could be hiking or whatever. But I really want to learn how to surf. I've done it in Bali and I just really love it. I should probably get a wetsuit first because it's like 78 degrees in here and I'm like wearing a tracksuit. But yeah, that will be really fun. If any of you guys know a surf instructor, or if you are one yourself and you live in LA, let me know because yeah, I definitely need someone to teach me. Thinking, do I have any more? Oh yeah, be more organized. I've been literally cleaning all week and yeah, that's it. I don't want to put too many resolutions and then not being able to stick to it. Anyway, shall we take a look? I'm gonna show you guys what Max is up to. Our office, honestly, it's like we have like a little matcha fulfillment in there. So far we do literally everything ourselves just because we want to make sure that everything is well done, and we want to wrap up everything, the little packages, as a real present, because when I was in Japan, whatever you buy in a store, they always wrap it so beautifully. So we really wanted to bring that to Nekohama too, that if you receive it, it's like a little present and just, yeah. Nekohama headquarters. It is a little dark in here. Oh my god, the founder shoot. This is the inspiration. Yeah, here we got a lot of matcha packed up.
Those are fresh boxes of matcha.
Yeah, they're really fresh. Like they just came in. Like we only want to ship out like really fresh matcha. So yeah.
And I only want to ship out really fresh Sanne.
They're getting fresh on it. 2021. I feel rested. I feel happy. We're doing little matcha tastings with people who receive Nekohama on like Zoom. Do like little tea ceremonies. So we have one now.
We do it. If you want to join it.
Yeah, let's join it. And we're gonna do a matcha tasting all together. Got the matcha ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It was so smooth. Like I'm used to. I ordered it once on Amazon, and it was very.
Yeah.
It tasted very chemically. This just tastes so much more pure.
So yeah, these are kind of my New Year's resolutions, and this is also kind of what I was up to the last few months. We were making Nekohama. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching like today's coffee talk video. Again, Happy New Year. I am excited, I'm positive, and so should you be, because it's a fresh year, new beginnings. So let's get this all started.